Guys, welcome back to my channel. In case I just see me for the first time, my name is Blessing. Thank you very much for stopping by. So if you're my return subscriber, thank you very much for always clicking. And in today's video, we're going to do like a chit chat get ready with me video. So today's video is going to be interesting, and make sure not to go anywhere. Please watch till the end, okay? So today I'm going to be sharing with you the most awkward proposal ever. I got the most awkward proposal ever. The way my boyfriend proposed to me, I can't even explain it. It's so awkward, like I was speechless. I didn't know what to say for like a few seconds. Like, guy, what are you even doing? Like, he takes everything as a joke. That's my problem. He takes everything like a joke. Like, he's this person that doesn't see things like a big deal. Like, he sees proposal like a normal stuff, you know, like was there. But this guy, the way this guy proposed to me, guys, you will not believe it. So as we are doing this chit chat get ready with me video, I already glued my hair, so I'm just going to allow my hair to dry. And I took my hair to the salon yesterday for them to coil it. You see how beautiful it's looking now. And yeah, the hair is from Queen's. My hair is from Queen's Hair Pot, so you can check them out on Instagram. Their hair are really very affordable, guys. So I'm going to be doing my makeup and also dressing my hair, because today is my mom's birthday and I am going over to the mainland, which is Ikotu. I'm in Lagos now, guys, so I'm going over there today to, you know, give her a surprise birthday visit. Yeah, she's a pastor. Today they have a service in the church, so I'm going inside the church to hand her over her cake and also wine and stuff like that. So just like that, but she doesn't know I'm in Lagos at the moment, so it's fine. The surprise will just go away. So my girlfriend is coming, Joy. She will be going with me to Kotu to give her the cake, okay? She's my auntie, but I call her my mom because I grew up with her. I lived with her up until when I was like 15, I think. Yeah, so she's my mom. Yeah. So we're going over there today to give her a surprise birthday package. So I'm going to do my makeup now while I tell you people about my proposal, my engagement. Say, I don't know what to call it. So the way my boyfriend proposed to me, guys, is the most awkward way to propose to a woman. Like, seriously, you know, he's like my best friend, you know, he's my friend, but I expected him to propose like a normal person. My problem with him is that he plays too much, and he's a serious person, but he likes to play a lot. Like, even when you're serious, like he's always saying life is not that serious, that you should play often, you know, like that. But this guy will not understand. So I was just hoping maybe the proposal will be like, you know, the ones that I see on TV, the ones I see on, you know, those kind of proposal now, where the guy will just kneel down in presence of his friends, family, and then give the ring, something like that, you know, something with drama. But this guy is too local for my liking. But then I'm talking to you, I know you will see this video. So he's too local for my liking. So he just brought the ring. Oh, you know how a guy would just hide the ring, like hide the ring, okay, surprise, blah, blah. I know he's always telling me that he will marry me, but my proposal was supposed to be dramatic, you know. I was just expecting something like, okay, something very colorful, you know. But this guy is, don't know what to call him, a localist. He's too local. So he just brought the ring in and dropped it on the table. And he left the ring on the table and walked up to me and said, baby, will you marry me? I was like, you're not with any ring, you're asking me if I'll marry you. How? I don't understand you. And he was like, okay, the ring is over there on the table. Like, I was just like, yeah, how can you choose today of all days to play with me? I don't understand. How can you play with something as big as this? So engage with me with give me the ring with seriousness, you know, be serious. I was just for me, be serious, and he was just laughing. Sorry guys, I'm back. So he was just like, the ring is over there on the table, take the ring, wear it when you're ready. I just opened my eyes. I was just looking for, like, what's this guy saying? I don't understand you. So for like, I didn't take the ring home. We're still going on and on, like, you should kneel down, all that stuff. We're still dragging that issue. We're still talking about how he should kneel down, propose to me. And he just left me. I went on playing game with his phone. He didn't even listen again. So later, he saw that I did not take the ring. So he now took the ring, came to me. I was like, no, I will not take that ring from you. You will kneel down. You must kneel down. Like, you know how a girl now should just expect, you know, a little bit of drama, you know, at least friends, people should be there, you know, cheering you all, like, say yes. And even though you know you are going to say yes, that, you know, this is not a makeup tutorial, this is just a cheated get ready with me video. So I'm just going to fasten it now so I can just quickly finish my eyes and then be able to talk to you guys very well. Okay, so for my foundation, I am going to use my Zikel foundation, guys. You can see. So this is my new foundation, guys. I was using this Milani before, but this Milani is not a full coverage. This Zikel covers everything. So I went back to my Zikel. So as I was saying, guys, give it to me, you know, you have to give me the ring. Like, okay, is that the problem? I say yes. He went to take the ring. He brought the ring to me. This boy still refused to kneel down. And I was like, you will kneel down, oh. So he was begging me, please now take the ring, you know. I was like, what's there for you to kneel down? I don't understand. So after a while, after dragging for a while, I had to use my sense to calculate, because he did not want to open his mouth to tell me the problem. So I had to calculate by myself, and I remember that he has a knee problem, you know. So he cannot really kneel down like that. And yeah, I just said, okay, whatever, let me just take the ring, since he has been begging me since yesterday, since the other day. So I took the ring and I refused to post anything concerning my engagement, because it was not done properly. I did not want anybody to know that I was engaged. I only sent the picture. I only took a picture, sent it to my bestie, Mommy Favor. I sent it to Mommy Favor only. That very the day I collected the ring, I sent it to her. She was happy for me. She's always happy for me anyways. So I took the ring, I showed her the ring, and she was happy as usual. Me, I was just like, she was just like, are you going to post it? I said, no, I'm not going to post anything. So I had to mix this color with the Milani, because the Zikel was like a bit too dark for me. So I said okay, but you can post it, but I'm not posting yet until my mind is settled. She didn't know why I was, you know, insisting on not posting. So yeah, that was how the engagement thing went. That was how the engagement went. So later on, before I started telling people that I am engaged, before I told my family, everybody, they were all happy. Like, yeah, that was how it went. But I was expecting something really different, you know, something like more glam, something like, you know, more, I don't know, like I remember, like, I don't know how to put it though, but anyway, I'm happy that he's my best friend. Regardless, he's somebody that I really like, you know. Nobody's perfect, but he's somebody that I'm really comfortable with, you know. There are people that you're comfortable with to talk about stuff, but he's a good listener. He listens. Like, when I talk, he listens. He wants to know my pain. He wants to know what's going on with me. I mean, that's the kind of people we pray to have around us, yeah? Yeah. I'm not going anywhere.
Why don't you make video?
Why they make video?
Makeup, sorry.
I was just doing a story time. I'm telling my subscribers how you propose to me.
So you want to make a video?
I'm already making the video. I'm telling them how you refuse to kneel down. I'm telling them how you refuse to kneel down, dude. Mm-hmm. No. I don't know what you're talking about, sir. No. My makeup is done and I have to just dress my hair and start going, okay? And I'm going to be showing you guys my outfit and my what I don't know. So I didn't do much with my hair. I just laid down. So I didn't do much with my hair. It's actually a frontal hair. So you can see I don't want to raise it too much because the got to be it's not really dry. So my edges are sick. So I'm just going to leave the coils like this. I don't want to do much with my coils. So let's just brush here. Just brush here. And yeah. So guys, this is the finished look, and yeah. So guys, that's my story, and that's what I expected versus what I got. It's two different things. So sometimes what we really wished for or we expect is not what life gives to us, so we have to adjust. That's it. So whether he knelt down or he didn't kneel down or whatever, I am engaged. So that's it, I think. So in between, when we were talking, he actually called me. I guess you guys already saw that clip already. So you have to play over it again. Like, he plays too much. Every little thing he has to play over it. Like, he didn't even see that it's serious or a big deal. So what's that? So I hope my wedding too, he will not take it as a joke, because that one, I will not accept that kind of joke. So after this video now, I'm going to do something very interesting as well. So guys, just let me know if you want to see a full video of a makeup tutorial, or like a full video of me doing my makeup. Just let me know in the comment section if you would like to see that kind of video from me, because I'm not the best makeup artist actually. But if you want to see how I created this look, or if you want to see a makeup video from me, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be glad to do that for you as well. So let me run along to film the other video that I have for today, and as well vlog for the surprise birthday for my mom as well. So see you very soon, and don't go anywhere. Always watch my videos, please, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Until I see you again, remember, bye.